rousing homecoming welcomed Gilas Pilipinas on Monday night. The national team, who had just booked their ticket to the 2019 FIBA World Cup, was met with eager fans as they arrived back in Manila. And despite being on an 8-hour flight from Dubai, the entire team emerged all smiles as they returned to the country victorious.
Nakakawala ng pagod, nakaka-overwhelm yung pag-welcome sa amin ng mga Pilipino dito. Especially dun, kahit dun sa Doha at sa Kazakhstan, talagang may sumusuporta talagang mga Pilipino. So, sobrang worth it.
Meanwhile, for head coach Yang Yao, it's mission accomplished despite encountering several setbacks in the 3 windows he served as head coach. The veteran mentor was nothing but grateful for all the support the team got on the road to the World Cup.
Talagang destiny natin, talagang para sa Pilipinas, lahat ng nagmamahal ng basketball, tulong-tulong lang talaga to. Tuwan-tuwa kami actually yung inspiration namin, yung lakas namin, hinuhugot namin dun sa presence ng mga basketball fans na nag-cheer para sa atin. Hindi lang doon, alam din namin yung mga Filipino basketball fans na naiwan dito. Papasalamat din ako doon sa previous teams na kay Chot Reyes naman, kay Coach Chot. Kasi before yung Australia game, bago mangyari yon, binigyan na nila tayo ng lamang which proved very important for us because it gave us room for mistakes, margin for error.
Gilas also arrived together with naturalized player Andre Blach, who proved to be the game changer in their last 2 games where he scored a combined 58 points.
It was great. It was great. We came and took care of business and got our ticket back to China. Now the hard work begins for us to prepare for China.
Coach Yang Yao confirms there is a possibility for the big man to play as an import in the PBA Commissioner's Cup as part of his preparations. However, they have yet to finalize this as Blach still has commitments with his mother team in the Chinese Basketball Association. Apart from keeping Blach, Coach Yang says having Phil-Am NBA player Jordan Clarkson would be the perfect addition for them at the World Cup if FIBA grants his eligibility. So far, the national team's preparations are still in the works, but initial ones include the team joining the William Jones Cup. PBA Commissioner Willie Marshall adds the PBA will fully support Gilas by coming up with the best possible schedule. But for now, Gilas Pilipinas will focus on enjoying a well-deserved break before they reunite to gear up for the 2019 FIBA World Cup. Pauline Verzosa, CNN Philippines.